This presentation details the steps for enabling agent debugging under AutoSys Release 11.0 for the Windows operating system. From the Windows Start menu, open the AutoSys Administrator Graphical User Interface by selecting Administrator from the CA folder. The main Administrator Graphical User Interface page is displayed. By default, when opened, the Administrator Graphical User Interface is not connected to an AutoSys instance. The Administrator Graphical User Interface title bar shows no instance. From the main Administrator Graphical User Interface page, under AutoSys Instance, select the desired AutoSys instance. In this case, the three-letter instance name, the Administrator Graphical User Interface title bar will now display ACE. From the main Administrator Graphical User Interface page, select the Agent icon. The Agent Administration page is now displayed. On the Agent Administration page, you'll note that the value of the debug variable isdgbactiv, short for isDebugActive, is currently set to off. This double-click on isDebugActive, and the variable name and value will now be populated. Adjust the value as desired. In this case, the value is set to Heavy, Light, Calm. Select Set, then Apply. The value of isDebugActive is now updated and displays Heavy, Light, Calm. The next step is to recycle the AutoSys agent. Select the Services tab, which appears as the icon of a stoplight. The Services tab is now displayed. From the Services drop-down menu, select CA Unicenter AutoSys Job Management Agent. Once selected, you will see that the service is running. Select the Stop Service button. The service will stop, and its status will be displayed as stopped. The service can be restarted by selecting the Start Service button. The service will restart, its status will be running, and the icon will appear green. To verify that debugging has turned on, navigate to the directory containing the agent log file. In this case, it's in the default location. Open the log file. Once the agent's service is restarted with isDebugActive set, debug messages will now be written to the agent log file. Where the necessary debug information has been collected, it is recommended that the agent be taken out of debug mode, that is isDebugActive set to off. This is due to disk space overhead used by the debug logging.